Hi, my name is Alice Bowmaker and welcome to this class this morning or this afternoon. We will go through a slightly more advanced practice today. So let's begin. Bring yourself back into a child's pose, sending your bum towards your heels, extending the arms out in front of you. See if you can creep the fingertips a little bit further along the mat and take a deep breath in and out, connecting to the sensations of the body and dropping into the moment. Come forwards to tabletop and move through cat and cow. Exhaling, head and tailbone drops. Inhaling, lifting up through head and tailbone. Feel that stretch in the front and the back of the body. Deepening the breath in either direction. Come to a straight spine. Walk the hands forwards. Tuck the toes under and lift to downward dog. Press one heel to the floor at a time, releasing through the ankles and the feet. And let the head hang nice and heavy. Press both heels to the floor. See if you can lift up through the sit bones, lengthening the lower back, and draw the abdominals in. If the legs are straight, squeeze the thigh bones and spread the toes wide on the floor. Lift the right leg up to the ceiling, bend the knee and open up the hip, bringing heel towards your bum. And step the right foot forwards, knee to chest, and in between the hands to lunge. Press through the front heel and reach the arms forwards and up, stretching the fingertips, front knee over ankle, and really pressing the back leg as straight as possible. Bring the hands to the floor. Take the right arm up into a twisted lunge. Squeeze belly button in. Draw the left shoulder back and down. Bring the right hand to the floor. Reach the arms up. And come into your warrior two. Back heel goes parallel. Front foot forwards. Spread through the chest. Bring right forearm to right thigh, reach the left arm up overhead. Press into the outer edge of your left foot as you guide your right knee out to the side. If you want more, bring the right fingertips down to the floor. Take a breath into the left side of the body and inhale, come all the way back to warrior two. Reverse the warrior, left hand to back thigh, right arm to right ear. Keep the front knee bent. If you want more, take the left hand behind the back to bind, grabbing the right thigh. Inhale to warrior two, and then cartwheel the hands over the front foot, step to plank. Squeeze the belly button in and widen through the chest. Lower all the way down, and then slide the elbows forwards, come to Sphinx pose. If you have more, straighten the arms, squeezing the glutes. Widen through the chest. Lower the forehead down, scoop the belly button in, and press yourself back to your plank and downward dog. Take the left leg up towards the ceiling, bend the knee, point the toe and open up the hip. Heel towards your bum. Step the left foot forwards, knee to nose, and left foot in between the hands to lunge. Reaching the arms forwards and up, come to high lunge. Squeeze abdominals in, straighten through the back leg, and take the right hand down to the floor, the left arm up, come to twisted lunge. Squeeze belly button in to twist. Right shoulder drawing back and down. Come to center and transition into your warrior 2. Back foot parallel to the back of the mat. Front foot forwards, arms to shoulder height. Widen through the chest. Belly button squeezes in. Bring your left forearm to your left thigh, coming into side angle pose. Right arm to right ear, pressing into the outer edge of the right foot. Slide the left hand down to your left ankle if you want more. Breathe in and out. Come to warrior 2, and then reverse the warrior, taking your right hand to the right thigh, left arm overhead, taking a bind with that right arm behind the back. Right hand to left thigh. Come back to center and cartwheel the hands over the front foot. Step back to plank, abdominals drawing in. Lower halfway or all the way to the floor. Inhale, come up into your cobra or up dog, shoulders drawing back, toes tucked under. Exhale, downward dog. Take a deep breath into the belly and out. Take the right leg up to the ceiling, bend the knee and open up the hip. Step that right foot forwards in between the hands and come straight into your side angle pose. Fingertips to the floor this time. Take the left hand to the ceiling or left hand to left hip and start to walk the right fingertips towards the front of the mat. Heel toeing the back foot in, shifting the weight into the front foot. Extend out through your left leg. Squeeze your abdominals and reach your left hand up towards the ceiling or the sky. Feel yourself expanding out through the head, the arms and the legs. Body strong. Breathing in and breathing out. Bring your left hand to the floor, level off the hips. Draw the shoulders back. And bring the hands back towards your hips into warrior 3. Shoulder blades squeeze back, belly button draws in, and extend out through that left leg. Now come to stand, bringing left knee to chest, belly button draws in, right heel presses into the floor. Take a twist, right hand to left shin, left hand comes behind you, belly button engages. Keep your mind focused on your body as you twist. Come back to center, step the left foot back, bring the hands to the floor and step to plank. Lower halfway or all the way. Inhale to cobra or up dog. Exhale to downward dog. Inhale the left leg up, bend the knee, open up the hip. Step the left foot in between the hands to lunge. And come into your side angle pose, fingertips to the floor. Making our way into half moon now, walk the fingertips to the front of the mat. Heel toeing the back foot in to shift the weight into your left leg. Extend out through the right foot. Take your right hand towards the ceiling and really extend through the chest. If you're feeling balanced enough, you might take fingertips off the floor. Feel yourself expanding through the arms, the legs, and the head. And take a breath in and out. Bring the right hand to the floor, level off the hips. Extend your arms back behind you, shoulder blades squeezing together, come to warrior 3. Belly button stays engaged. And then slowly bring that right knee up into the chest, into balance. Belly button engages. Keep your mind focused on your standing leg and your abdominals and take a twist. Left hand to right leg, right hand reaches behind you. Keep focused on your body as you twist. breathing in and out. Come to center. Step the right foot back behind you. Take the hands to the floor and step back to plank. Lower all the way or halfway. Inhale to cobra or up dog, shoulders drawing back. And exhale, belly button draws in, press to downward dog. Take the right leg up to the ceiling, bend the knee and open up the hip. And bring the right knee forwards into pigeon. So right knee to right hand, foot comes to the left. Slide the left leg back along the mat. And if this is too much for your knee, you can take your right hip to the floor to fold forwards. But for that deeper glute stretch, keep the hips parallel, extending left hip and right sit bone towards the floor. Take a deep breath down into your belly. Taking a moment to drop into the body, to drop into the breath. Come up onto the hands and step back to downward dog. Take the left leg up towards the ceiling, bend the knee and open up the hip. And slide the left knee forwards to your pigeon or your modified pigeon, with the left hip down on the floor, folding forwards. Or with the hips parallel, with the right hip coming towards the floor and the left sit bone. Wherever you are, take a deep breath into the belly and out, feeling the sensations of the body in this stretch. And then coming up onto your hands, let's come to a seated position with the legs out in front of you. You can take a cushion underneath your bum and then move your sit bones backwards. Walk the hands over to the left leg and fold forwards. Left knee can be slightly bent. And make sure you're breathing deeply. Breathing into the belly. And breathing out to relax the body. Relaxing the jaw and the shoulders. Feeling your body unwinding. Inhale to come to center and fold forwards over the right leg. Breathing in and out. Right leg can be slightly bent. Breathing into the tender spots and see if you can relax them as you exhale. Inhale to come back to center. And let's bring the legs together, coming into a cross-legged seated position. And I'm going to bring the legs out again and come into a wide leg forward fold. Allowing the body to hang over the legs. Breathing into the belly. Relaxing the pelvic floor. Breathing into the belly. relaxing the pelvic floor. And then slowly come on up and back to your cross-legged position. And close the eyes down, resting the hands on the knees. We're going to press the right thumb to the right nostril to breathe in and out through the left side. Slowly breathing in through the left nostril and out through the left nostril. Eyes focused at the third eye. Breathing and changing sides, pressing your thumb onto the left nostril, breathing in and out through the right nostril. Eyes focused at the third eye. Bringing your left hand down, focusing on both nostrils now. Breathe in, hold the breath. Breathe out, hold the breath. Breathe in, hold the breath. Breathe out, hold the breath. Come back to center. Press the palms together. Feel yourself inside of the body in this present moment. Take a breath in and out through the mouth. Slowly opening the eyes and coming back. Thank you for joining me today. It's been such a pleasure, and I look forward to practicing with you again.